Greetings. My name is Shwetank More. I am from cohort Lambda. I am here doing Masters in Computer Science in Software Engineering from AlmaBetter University. Presenting a detailed report on my individual capstone front-end project, which I given the name AlmaBetter Quiz App. Structure first. In public folder, we have Favicon. Source folder, we have assets, some pictures, images I use in this project. In components, I use some cards, some forms for MCQ question, few models I use for confirmation, delete, update, and other work. I use some spinner for loading purpose, some title switcher I by footer, header. In pages, I have about me page, create page, home page, my quizzes page, and many more. It for state manager uses some slices, some selectors, and stores. Routing set. Thank you. Now I will give you overview of technologies which I use in this project. First, React with for faster development. Tailwind CSS. Flow by React for mobile responsiveness. This website is completely mobile responsive. Framer motion. Framer motion for beautiful animation. Axios for fetching requests from Trivia API. Redux Toolkit for state management. Nano ID for giving unique ID in Redux store. So I use Clerk for user authentication. Flow of this project. When we are landing on home page, we have option we can see. So we first need to log in. Here it is powered by Clerk authentication. So I need to okay. Now I get authenticated. So the user button for Clerk is showing that you are logged in. Create quiz app where we can see a model where we have two choices. We can create a MCQ quiz or short answer quiz. So for testing purpose, I will click on MCQ quiz. Here a beautiful form is open way for us. Effect hook and set timeout function to change the title of this H1 heading. So let's I give this title take, give some description, take questions, question. Let's give some question like what is H, what is, I will give it like HTML, add option like CSS, like JavaScript, and like I will give it like I can delete here and I can update option. So let's give it PHP. I will select HTML is the correct answer. I can save it. It gives some beautiful alert message. It will automatically hide after 6 seconds. So here I will fast forward process and we can add up to 10 question quiz. Then MCQ form will reset this and all the data is dispatched into store in slices in Redux Toolkit. Create quiz. If there is no quiz created, then we can create quick quiz can also from here. All the quizzes are here in a table where we can see the number of quiz, the title is either it is a MCQ or it is short answer. The title of quiz which is take we already given. It created the author it used user hooks from Clerk buttons here. Here we can view the quiz and we can delete the quiz. If you want to delete the quiz, we can delete it quiz here. See the quiz here. It can show you all the questions which are in the quiz. and it should show the question number and its correct answer will be in the bold. Now I will this is the toggle feature. I use here React Switch library. Okay, so we can show in our play quiz page here we can see a card. If it is I selected inactive, then play quiz card we show no quiz is available, and it will show the button of to create quiz. So let's for toggle it active again. Now we can see it here again in my quizzes sections like this. Okay, it will show some image, the title of quiz, by whom it quiz is created, the type of quiz, it is dynamic, it will be changed if it is another type, the description of the quiz, and the date when the quiz is created. Yeah, I will click it start quiz. It so let's start the quiz. As I use nano ID here to create a unique ID for the quiz, which is also I am using for dynamic routing purpose. So I will click on start quiz page. Here we can one model is open where it fetches username from user hooks, and it will give you the time being as per the quizzes are the number of quizzes, the number of question are which are the presents. Like it is if it's contain 2 to 5 questions, that it will give us a 4 minute. If it is present in 5 to 10 question, then it will give you 8 minutes. Okay, we have two option here: start quiz and go back quiz. So let's click on start quiz. Then quiz will load. It has some beautiful animation. I use here flow by React to show similar kind of UI to all throughout over the pages. So here timing is started. We have the name of the user. Then after we have question which is dynamically. For the time reason, I choose this two questions here. We can see the dynamic routed created out dynamic routing link is created here. You can see here. Okay, and so it's for first question. What is HTML? It's obviously hypertext markup language. I will click next here. After that, what is JS? Typing language, backend only language, scripting language, or low level language. I know the right answer here, and I can click on scripting language. Then there is a next button is disable as it is on last question, and we can click on submitting. It will show some loader, and with will quiz type, your username, your score, its accuracy, some codes. We have if we get 100%, then one more button we can show. Yeah. As obviously we can go home, try home, but we have one more button shows this try our special quiz. The model will open or we can access it from our home page. Yeah. We get some form will be open here. It is fetching question from TBIDB, which is the largest MCQ DB. So we have form, we have label. I will choose general knowledge, multiple choices question. You can also go with the true or false. It's up to user choice. The quiz will start. The UI will remain similar like the play quiz component. But here we get question is fetching from trivia database. So what is the German word for spoon? I don't know. Obviously its answer. I'm giving it random answer. Okay, and we are on the last question. I will submit here. It's a fetching result. Okay, it's 20%. I know it is very poor effect, but we can retake this quiz or we can go home. This is the workflow of this quiz app. If you like, please give star on. There is one more page I added here. Here you can see my profile, my background, the skill I have currently hold, and some information about this quiz. And lastly, here you have a button to give. It will redirect to the code of this app. And lastly, I can show here this pages. This app is completely mobile responsive. In mobile view, you have some hamburger menu with animation. You can see it's a complete mobile responsive. It's a header and footer. Also, it gives some quiz only uses local storage to save the fetch data question from me. That's it. So thank you. This all about my quiz.